is Savannah. Today I've got some more Shopkins. It's called Wild Style. I've never opened one of these, and it's season 9. It comes with 2 Shopkins. What else? I mean, that's it. There are also pet pods, and so that's what they come in instead of like grocery bags or something like that. They come in pet pods in the box. So I'm really excited. You can get a unicorn one. Look at that. A unicorn. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm excited. Why don't we open it? But before we do open it, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So let's open it. Oh, and what do you think the pet pod would be? Will it be a cow? Maybe a unicorn? Oh, I've already started opening it. But comment below. Comment below. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. I mean, I don't really have the time. I'm really excited. Alright, so let's open it. Oh my god. It's a bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, feeling around. Alright. It seems good. Alright, so we've got I think this is a collector's guide. Yes, it's a collector's guide. It's very long. See, it's a collector's guide. Oh. See, look at that collector's guide. Alright, so it's very long, but these are season 9. So you guys ready to open it? I am. Okay, ready? This box determines everything. Alright, here we go. I'm opening it. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. So this one is like a tannish. Oh, I opened it. There's nothing in it besides a box if you want to see that. But I opened it. Alright. So I think this is a dog, I think. But let's look, because we got our collector's guide with us. And I already broke the collector's guide. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I didn't mean to break it. It's okay. Is this, let's see. Wait, I gotta find which one's which. What's this? It says Shimmery Unicorn Tribe. That's the Unicorn Tribe. No. Fruits, dairy wrappers, frozen. This is really hard. Give me a second, guys. Okay, guys. So I think it's part of the Shimmery, no, not the Shimmery Unicorn, the Glamour Gems Tribe. Because it's kind of got like the same, if you look on here, sorry, it's a little blurry. That girl right there, I think is her. So I think, I don't actually know. So, I don't know. We'll see though, because we'll know which Shopkins is which. So, let's open it. Okay. It's new, so it smells a little bit better. Alright, there we go. Oh no! I almost just dropped it. Alright. So, close it up if I can. Okay, I'll close it later. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3! Ooh, a love chocolate box. That's cute. Dude, look at it. So this one's blue with somewhat of a purple on it with love. It says love on the top. It's really cute. See, look at this. Okay. So now that we know it's that one, now I can actually look it up. Alrighty, so it's part of the Color Change Cutie Tribe. So this one color changes. Wait. I gotta make sure I'm right. I don't think I am. Give me a second. I don't think I'm right. I'm not right. This one's part of the Heart and Seekers Tribe. This one's really cute. Okay, on to our second one. In there. Oh! I was like, what's in there? And then I do this. Boop! It's got a top. See, look, that's the top. And that's the bottom. So in there is a secret heart. And it says, speak forever. Speak forever. I will always speak forever. I have a lot of energy today. So I will speak. Oh, that makes so much more sense. So each one has their own like little thing that connects to them. So this one's like a heart. So there's a heart inside of it, which I think is pretty cool. Alright, on to our next one. Why is this one harder? This is like harder to open. Oh, it's glittery! Wow! Look at that one. It's so glittery! Oh my gosh, I have to see which one this is. La 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 la. Oh, it's Glitzy Dancer Tribe. This one's part of the Glitzy Dancers Tribe. So what makes this one unique is that it's really, really sparkly. And it's a cake. This one's called Calista Cake. This one's so cute. Alright, so today guys, we opened a heart and a cake. And I think these are the two best ones. I'm super excited I got that. So this was our Wild Shopkins adventure. Because this is the first time I opened it. I was so excited, and I still am, because I got 2 new Shopkins. Yay! Alright guys, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See ya everyone!